I bet you didn't expect your Tucson's USB port to stop working. Frustrating, right? Let's get it working again. First, check if the USB port is clean. Sometimes dirt or crumbs sneak in and block the connection. Use a toothpick or a can of air to clear it out gently. Next, try a different USB cable. Not all cables work for both charging and data. If your phone charges but doesn't connect to your car's system, the cable might be the problem. Now, restart your car's infotainment system. Turn your Tucson off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This resets the system and can solve simple glitches. Still stuck? Check your phone. Make sure it's unlocked and your car is allowed to access it. On Android and iPhone, look for a message asking if you trust the car connection. If nothing works, check your car's fuse box. A blown fuse can knock out the USB port. Your owner's manual will show you where to look and how to replace it. And if all else fails, visit your dealer. Sometimes it's a hardware issue, and they can fix it fast. So next time your Tucson USB port acts up, just follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road in no time.